Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my group. We are from group 5. I'm Indah Hewanda as moderator, and they are Amelia Rosa and Nurul Wahida Rinjani as presentator. The topic for our presentation is Dasar-Dasar Tata Suara. Okay, let's move on. The first presentation will be delivered by me. Number one, definition of sound system. Sound system is a unity of sound and the facilities used for critical needs. The unit of sound in question is a unit of mean of sound composed or made by human and originating from sound sources outside of humans. Number two, purpose and function of sound system. The purpose of sound is to set the background for a play. The sound function is a means of increasing the power of imagination so that the play becomes more alive and stimulate the development of illusion. Okay, the next presentation will be delivered by Amelia Rosa. To Amelia Rosa, time is yours.
Alright, number 3 is about equipment for sound system. The first is microphone. Microphone is a tool that functions to change the sound vibration it gets, for example, vocal sounds, into electrical vibrations to be continued to the receiver, namely the preamp mic. Sending sounds from the mic using a cable or not using a cable. And next is about vocal effect. The vocal effects are very necessary to increase the strength of the mic or also change the character of the sound such as reverb, delay, room, pitch so that it can be adjusted according to needs. And next is equalizer, one of the tools that can change the sound's frequency according to what you want. The graphic layout of the equalizer greatly determines the direction of the sounds obtained, for example, high, mid, and low. And next is mixer, a tool that functions to mix and receive several outputs as mix, guitars, organs, and other equipment so that they can be produced to the speakers. And next, power ampli. Power ampli is a sound producing a device or often called a loudspeaker that is connected to the speaker. And the last speaker, the speaker is a device that uses the opposite of a mic. The speaker has the function of being able to convert electrical vibration into sound vibration so that they can be heard by the human ear.
And the last presentation will be delivered by Nurul Wahida Rinjani. To Nurul, time is yours.
Okay, the next slide is about basic aspects of sound. A. Pitch, high and low voice. And B. Loudness, the strength of the sound in the household on the music, while we are more familiar with the volume. This aspect is important because in the film we have to make a lot of sounds so that the sound we choose to dominate really needs loudness to adjust it. And C. Timbre, divine as the color of the sound. Each voice actually has a different color or sound character. But when we record onto magnetic tape or disc or CD, sometimes there are deviations that occur. Therefore, we must be careful to be able to present it properly. And next slide is about processing sounds. In combining the three elements of the exacting sounds, we are often faced with the problem of domination that will emerge. However, we must make a selection of the sound that we will actually use. Then we separate alteration in order to clarify the position of the sound according to its needs. And after everything is done, then we mix our combination by adjusting the loudness first and then looking at the pitch and timbre.
I think that's all for our presentation, and thank you all for listening and thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.